We're going to begin, though, tonight with car thieves caught on camera.
The owner of the car stolen says this is a crew of professionals targeting drivers in Metro Detroit.
We know that car theft isn't anything new, especially here in Detroit, but exactly how methodically these crooks were able to pull this one off. After this video shows a trio driving off in this car in the early morning hours on Klinger, just off Davison on Detroit's east side.
I have never seen anything like that, and I never thought about it like that.
Watch as the first guy skillfully pops the entire glass out of the door in one piece, then comes in with an electronic device to start the car. There's no doubt to Sharab, these guys are not amateurs.
If they weren't professional, they wouldn't be able to do it in 30 minutes.
Alright, what is up everybody? Rich Homie DMO back again with another banger video. Thank you so much for watching all my videos so far, and if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all smash the like button, hit the subscribe, comment below, because the YouTube algorithm is favoring likes now, so definitely run them likes up for me. That'll be greatly appreciated. So in recently released news, over 1,000 Dodge Chargers have been stolen in the year 2020 just in Detroit. That's crazy. Over 1,000 Dodge Chargers stolen in like one single area. That's like almost 3 Dodge Chargers stolen per day in a single area. If you think about it, that's insane. Like a single make and model stolen 3 times a day in a single city. Like, that's insane. I'm assuming a lot of these thefts from dealerships, not like, you know, regular folks, you and me driving around, but still, it's pretty scary. I mean, we still see all over news that people's cars have been stolen. So, I mean, we always want to protect our investment. Now, thieves are smart enough. I mean, at least I hope, if they're stealing a whole bunch of cars, right? So, I mean, with the car lock, they can just unplug the device from the OBD2 port and it's game over. You won't be able to track your car anymore. I mean, you are gonna get a notification on your phone, but I mean, it's too late. It's highly unlikely you're going to recover your car after that. And there's another way to protect your car, and it's with, you know, high-tech or expensive security alarm systems. There's like other brands like Viper that you can install, but of course it's a $500 or $600 price point to protect your car. And plus, thieves, they're smart enough nowadays to, you know, bypass that, especially if you're a YouTuber and you know, you're advertising or you're like reviewing the car alarm security system that you just, or someone just installed. I mean, someone can just easily look that up and then like research the, you know, the ways to bypass it, and you're out. One last effort to recover your car once it's stolen is with this. And always stay one step ahead, and it's through a product that Apple just released. It is called the AirTag. So I'm going to show you how this AirTag can help you recover your car. So this is not an anti-theft system. This is basically the last ditch effort for you to recover your car, and I have to say this is a pretty great tracking system, because the thieves, they're going to unplug the onboard computer or the onboard GPS system, so you know, the law enforcement or dealerships or car companies won't be able to track the car. And of course, you have, you know, other external or third-party alarm systems like with car lock or the Viper security alarm. I mean, with car lock, they can just easily unplug that from the OBD2 sensor, unless if you route it to the trunk, which can buy you some time. Or, you know, the Viper security alarm system, I mean, thieves are smart. They can probably, you know, unhook that or just yank it out of there. So we gotta stay one step ahead with the AirTag, and of course we can just basically hide this anywhere and we can track our car and fight to get our car back. All right, and I know some people are gonna be like, come on, like, just get the full coverage, you're gonna get that check back. Why waste this effort or spend this extra money? It's because we have an emotional attachment to these cars. I mean, these cars are our babies, and we spend, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars over what the car is worth because we just love cars. That's just what we do, right? Like, we spend, let's say, like a couple thousand for wheels, then a couple hundred for tints. Then if you want to do any lighting systems, underglow, interior lightings, that's like $100 or $200 excluding labor. And we want to update our LED or update our headlight bulbs to LED, that's like $50. We want to protect our car, so we want to do like, you know, ceramic coatings and all that stuff, that's like another $300. So if you want to total all these mods up, it's, you know, close to a couple $1,000s. And if you add a wrap or stripes, man, you're close to $10,000. And I know you can get insurance to protect those mods, but I mean, usually people get that type of insurance if they put like, you know, big turbo kits and supercharging and like, you know, mod their car up or add another $30,000 to $40,000. But for us, you know, with our normal car insurance, normal full coverage car insurance, I mean, we're just gonna get the money back on what the car is worth and not how much, you know, blood, sweat, tears, and money we actually put into the car. So that's why I just want this AirTag to be a last resort. If all else fails, I have this AirTag to actually recover my car back. So that's it, y'all. So I'm excited. I'm glad Apple released this product. Let's get to the unboxing and then just experimenting it. Let's go. So here is the box itself for the device. Nothing too special, just says AirTag. And when you open it, there was a pull tab. Here you pull it off, then you can pull this out. There's a little tab which pulls out, first it pulls out the AirTag device as well as some instruction manuals. So it just talks about your 1-year warranty, RCC, and other safety. We don't care about that. But here is the AirTag device itself. Bang, very simple device, very small, but let me just take a look at the instructions here. It says to update to the latest iOS or iPad OS. So the latest iOS, I believe, is 14.5. And then number 2, just hold the device near the phone and just follow the on-screen instructions. So it's probably going to be the same as pairing, you know, AirPods with the M1 chip or W1 chip, where your phone will just recognize it. Let me just pull this device out. It's a very small tab. I mean, compared to the size of my hand, here it is compared to the phone. It's like the size of a quarter basically. So taking a look at the front, it says AirTag, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, Bluetooth LE or Bluetooth low energy, and an ultra wideband. So once you take this off, you basically activate the battery, because there's like a little tab in there. Just gotta pull it, and you hear that little sound. That means it's on. And then there's actually one of the cell batteries in here. You would twist this off and replace the battery, and the batteries do last about a year. So if you want to keep protecting your SCATPACK, then you would have to make sure you change these batteries out every year. It should register. There we go. See the little pop-up message that's connected. And I know the use case of this isn't usually cars. It's usually like a wallet, luggage, keys, or anything like that. Now we're setting it up. So we're gonna use the Find My App test run. I just placed the AirTag at the other corner of my room. And then if you just wanna find it, click Find if you're nearby. Like I said, if you're about 30 to 40 feet, and you just start walking. It's a nice precision turn by turn or point by point, and there's the AirTag device itself. And there you go, it says that you're nearby. So that quick little experiment was done. Now we're gonna put the AirTag in the car. We're gonna have my friend drive it to some random location, and then I'm gonna try to find it. So let's get into it. Alright, so for experimental purposes, we are just going to put it right here. And my friend's gonna drive off to some random location. I mean, I definitely do not recommend putting it here. I definitely recommend, being smart about it, hiding it under the seats or, wherever you want to hide it. I'm not going to give anyone any ideas or any thieves any ideas. I mean, so I'm just going to place it there. It's going to be like fully covered, so hopefully the signal still works. And yeah, my friend, he didn't want to be, recorded, but all he's going to do is drive the car just some random location about 5-6 miles away, and then I'm gonna see if I can track him. So let's get into it.
A few moments later.
You see it's on the road. All right, y'all, so my friend took the car about 19 minutes ago, and after that I just disabled the car lock, or else I would have been getting tons of notifications like my engine started, it's leaving, blah blah blah. So that would definitely get annoying for this video. But he texted me, about 20 minutes later that he's here. So we're just gonna go to the 5 miles away, the exact address. So I'm gonna go there now, and let's see if we can find the charger. The location did refresh on me a little bit. So it was, where was it? So it's like right around here near Kohl's. It was by the Aldi's right here. So it did refresh. I'm just gonna, ask him if he moved or anything like that. Update, 4 minutes, 1.5 miles away. I did leave a little bit late and traffic has been crazy. It's like, Friday evening rush hour. Got so many cars out there, but I should be there pretty soon. And let's see if I can find a charger.
A few moments later.
Man, this light's taking forever, yo. A couple more minutes have been added, finally. Driving my 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse. We're gonna find my charger, so let's go. Approaching another stoplight. Yo, these stoplights or red lights, they're endless, but we're almost there. Got a couple more lights and we should be there. Alright, y'all, we are getting close. Less than a quarter of a mile. Let's say we gotta turn right up here. Alright, so yeah, I did park at Kohl's. It looks like it's pretty packed there, so you can see we're like right here. So let's see if we can find a charger. I'm not gonna, drive around the whole parking lot. I'm just gonna see if I can't find it first glance. I will just probably use that, that turn-by-turn feature. So let's see. Yeah, nothing yet, yo. Where do you park this? So I'm supposed to turn left a little bit over here. Oh shit. Oh, that's nice, bro. Yo, okay. That's telling me to turn around. Yo, I'm pretty surprised. I mean, it's pretty decent. So, I mean, it's telling me like it's like a couple parking spots away, but not too bad. Let's see what the AirTag app says. So this is actually Apple Maps. So let's see what the AirTag says. All right, so opening the app, it does say that it's with me. Let me see if I can just find it. I mean, the car's right there, but like, let's see if I can find the actual AirTag. All right, it says 20 feet, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my car. There we go. It doesn't show the arrow just yet, but we are getting closer. Okay, so like once we're like really close, then it shows it. Okay, so now the arrow is there. But yo, that's insane. Okay, so it's pretty accurate. At first I was like, oh no, where's the car at? But I mean, it's pretty packed here at Kohl's. But yeah, finally found a car with the AirTag, and this is dope. So I'm gonna hit up my friend so he can give me the keys, and then we can get out of here. But yeah, y'all, I mean, experiment worked. I was kind of, hesitant because AirTag is such a new product, but yeah, that's crazy. All right, so finally got the key. And my homie just went back into Kohl's, but there we go. Let's see if the AirTag's still there. Nice. All right. So not bad, y'all. We covered the car. All right, y'all. So that was a great experiment, and like, I'm like genuinely surprised like it was able to track it that close. AirTag is definitely a great product as a last resort to recover your stolen car. And obviously no one's gonna park it in like a public area in a shopping mall. It's most likely gonna be in someone's driveway or garage, and some sorts like that. But I mean, so far it's been accurate. I'm satisfied on how I was able to find my car and recover it, and it was pretty simple using the app. All I gotta do is just go on the Find My app and wait for the actual AirTag to refresh. And it did glitch out a little bit, or I wouldn't say glitched out. It was initially, it said it was like a couple of blocks up there at like near the Aldi's market, but now it's at Kohl's. And he said he didn't move the car, so it might have, had to be refreshed. If the car thief is on the move, then it's gonna be pretty hard for you to recover your car. But of course, if they leave the car parked at the chop shop or whatever, then you'll be able to find it. on the app, and you can set up some sting operation with the law enforcement, or you can, you know, recover it yourself since you got the keys, right? Yo, Apple, I messed with the AirTag. This is awesome. Like, I didn't think like this is gonna work this well. I know the main use case scenarios for these AirTags are, you know, not finding stolen or lost cars, but it's more for finding your luggage, your lost luggage, lost keys, or wallet. But for a stolen car scenario, this works pretty well, at least from my experiment. And comment down below what other experiments you want me to do with the AirTag. I might try to do it for y'all. But yeah, so AirTag is great. There's only a couple cons that I do find with the AirTag. The first con is, of course, the refresh rate. Refreshes every 5 to 10 minutes or even longer depending on where you live. If the car is constantly on the move, then it's going to be pretty hard for you to recover it. And the second con about the AirTag is that if there is an AirTag that's next to an iPhone that's not registered with the AirTag, so let's say this AirTag is registered to my iPhone here, and my friend had his iPhone next to him, and it's upgraded to or updated to the latest firmware, then he would get a notification saying that this AirTag is tracking him. The AirTag has to be following the same phone for like, I think like a couple hours or even a couple days. Then Apple will send the person a notification that it's tracking them. So there might be a case where, you know, the car thief stole your car and they may get the notification that the AirTag is tracking them. This is where you gotta be creative and hide it somewhere, because once they get that notification, they'll be like, oh crap. So they're gonna, you know, stop somewhere, try to, you know, open all these, you know, glove boxes, all these crevices. So this is where your job is to be creative and hide this somewhere they cannot find it. And ultimately, if they cannot find it, I think they're just gonna ditch the car somewhere, or at least steal some wheels. I don't know. I'm not a car thief, but you know, you just spoiled their plans. And yeah, y'all. So super happy with the AirTag. I'm definitely gonna keep it in my car, and I, you know, definitely recommend you guys to get one. It's only a $30 investment, and it's like the last line of defense to recover your car, especially with these Dodge Chargers, man. They get stolen a lot. Like in Detroit, 1,000 Dodge Chargers alone got stolen last year. So imagine other states with a huge Dodge Charger population, like in Houston, Atlanta, Maryland. I mean, they're probably getting stolen a lot. So yeah, y'all, I definitely recommend you getting this one. It's only 30 bucks for one, or you can get a 4-pack for 100 bucks. And you can share the wealth and share it with your friends. But yeah, I am really happy with this. Definitely gonna put it in my car, gonna put it somewhere creative. But yeah, y'all, hope you liked that video and that experiment. I was pretty happy how, you know, well it turned out. And yeah, if you want to see more videos with the AirTag, definitely comment below what you want to see, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more content. And I appreciate everybody watching. This is Rich Homie Cal signing out.